Ngavana Wairia ari mbere ya kamiti ya mathabu bunge-ini ya seneti. Na thutha wake gukinya giikaro-ini giki ndanakora na seneta umwe undu uria wakiririe maruru make ningi agitetia gwitwo gwake maita maingi kamiti-ini no undu uria oroteire Seneta Kembi Gitura.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My name is Kembi Gitura.
Na ndagika nini tu thutha wa giikaro giki kwambiriria kiuria kiegi thogora ya mugunda uria wi mwena wake no kabati kiambiriria urugari giikaro-ini giki.
The next query is 4.5 purchase of land.
The issue of land was one of the issues which was brought through impeachment.
All you need to do here is to prove to the auditor and the committee that you followed the law. Don't refer us to Senate Hansen.
I would not interrogate anything which was interrogated then, and that is our position as a county government. And this particular issue, Seneta Kembi Gitura has politicized it in public.
Nditimurano gatagati ka Ngavana Wairia na maseneta yambiririe thutha wake kurega gucokia kiuria kiu. Wairia akauga kiuria kiu ni giacokirio na njira nene hindi yake ya kuhagurwo na riria kamiti yombirwo kumuthuthuria.
If you have information from other quarters, bring it here, we shall see to it. But don't refer this committee to look for reports in libraries, notwithstanding the fact that we are senators.
This is our county, so you have to allow me. I want to bring a very substantive matter on this.
Mr. Chairman, you have given me the floor, then he has taken the floor.
No. Senator Ngavana Wairia,
Together with our colleagues, to be given the role of sitting on this committee today, are giving you an excellent opportunity to clear your name. Why don't you then rise?
We were able to provide every single document.
Seneta Gitura ni athanganirie thogora wa mugunda ucio uria wagurirwo ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a, mugunda uria ningi augite uri kundu kumwo. Kuringana na Ngavana Wairia, mitaratara ya thogora ya mugunda ucio wa ciringi milioni 340 ni arumirirwo na gukinyanirio thogora ucio kuona ati mugunda ucio uri barabara-ini nene ya Thika.
If it is shown, Mr. Chairman, that the land was not just properly procured, but that 340 million shillings or 10 million shillings per acre in a semi-arid place in Murang'a was value for money. Those are the things, Mr. Chairman.
hold on.
Someone here want to change the tune of this question. That is Senator Kembi Gitura.
Please give us evidence or you face the consequences. And listen, my younger brother.
The senator has used this to whip the emotions of Murang'a people, telling them it's in a dry land. This land is along the super highway. I have to finish. I have to finish.
No giikaro kiu gitinarika Ngavana Wairia akihamurithio. Kamiti uri ni iraneire guthie na mbere na uthuthuria ucio na ite gukurania Ngavana Wairia mbere ya gutabania riboti yayo. Na thutha wa ndogo maneno gatagati ka Ngavana Mwangi Wairia na Seneta Kembi Gitura, Ngavana Wairia akauga riu ni kuhanda cira igoti-ini kugendana na Seneta Gitura. Orire kiuria kinene kiri niri haro gatagati ka Ngavana na Seneta kaunti ya Murang'a cigathira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritware kuna masharia wa Gashuru.